In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with fonts in Figma using Chrome. Whether you're just getting started with Figma or looking to refine your design skills, working effectively with fonts is essential for creating designs that are both visually appealing and functional. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to open Figma in your Chrome browser. If you haven't done this before, simply head over to the Figma website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate over to the text tool. This tool is a staple for anyone working with designs in Figma. You'll find it in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Just click on the T icon and you'll be ready to create text layers anywhere on your canvas. Now let's talk about fonts. If you're looking to use local fonts, those installed directly on your computer, you need to make sure you have the Figma Font Helper desktop app installed and running. This app allows Figma to access and use the fonts you've installed on your machine directly in your designs. Without this, you might find your options limited to web fonts, so it's definitely worth having the font helper set up if you frequently work with a variety of text styles. For those primarily using web fonts, Figma makes this incredibly straightforward. The platform provides a comprehensive list of web fonts that are already integrated. Browse through this extensive library and select the ones you'd like to apply to your text layers. You'll find fonts suitable for headers, body text, and everything in between. If you're part of a Figma organization, and especially if you have admin access, you have the capability to upload custom fonts. This can be invaluable for teams that rely on specific brand fonts not already included in Figma's default offerings. Simply go to the organization settings, navigate to the fonts section, and upload the fonts as needed. This ensures that everyone in your organization can easily access and use the same set of fonts, maintaining consistency across all your design projects. Once you've selected your fonts, applying them to your text layers couldn't be simpler. With the text tool active, just click on any text layer you want to modify. Then look over to the properties panel on the right. Here you can choose from your available fonts and apply them to your text layers with just the click of a button. Remember, experimenting with different fonts can significantly impact the feel and effectiveness of your design. Don't hesitate to try out a few options before settling on the final look. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to using fonts in Figma through Chrome. We hope this helps you streamline your design process and bring your creative projects to life with the perfect typography. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more design tips and tutorials.